Hi folks, AZ Long here. The TracTive shock is installed. As you can see how it sits in there, down there, kind of up there, and over here. So that is that. Went back in pretty easy. And let's go back here. And here we have the front suspension apart. Now I haven't pulled the base valve or the middle valve, whatever that one's called, I can't remember, apart to see if there's damage, but definitely the bushings, the seals have damage, as showing that something metal was passing through there. And the fork tubes have a little bit on them that I am going to have to take care of. I'll try it with either this stuff here, Scotch Guard, or emery cloth if it gets to that point. So that's it for now. I will come back to you in a second here when I open a box. AZ Long here, guys. Just wanted to show you the compression valve from my Tuareg and try and get a close enough picture. You can see the bluing on the shims. The piston was upside down, like is being reported, and the shims were so blued they are starting to flake and crack. Also, the seal, I doubt you can see inside of this because of the color, but the seal was actually semi-ripped in a couple of places, and it's not on the external side, it's on the internal side. And my guess is whoever put it together either didn't use a bullet or at least some kind of sheeting to cover the leg when you put the seal down over it, and it scraped it and cut it. The dust seal looks fine. The shims are definitely worn, and the yeah, you can, let's see if you can see that little spot there is through to copper, and there's another scrape where I suspect metal from the shims has gone through it, and so both shims are both bushings are bad. Anyway, that's a tale of the Tuareg. 2022 is this one, and KYB has done something wrong, whoever they're having put that front end together. Now I don't know about later issue units, but definitely if you've got an early Tuareg, take a look.